Welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. Tip number 1, let's get organized. Make room for Thanksgiving food by clearing out the refrigerator before you go grocery shopping. Also take a moment to reorganize your pantry to create more space as well. Tip number 2, write out your Thanksgiving menu. Get all your special recipes together. Tip number 3, start preparing your grocery list. Make your grocery shopping easier by dividing all your ingredients under categories like produce, dairy, meats, beverages, bakery, canned goods, etc. Write down every ingredient you will need for every recipe that you need to purchase. Tip number 4, shop early to avoid the crowds and out-of-stock items. Tip number 5, prep food a day or two before Thanksgiving. Dishes like cornbread dressing, most casseroles, fresh yeast dough for making rolls and breads. Those types of foods and more will save time and stress by preparing them the day before and then baking them on Thanksgiving Day. However, most desserts will still taste great by making them a day or two before Thanksgiving Day. Also, while prepping your food, dice, slice, and chop any fresh vegetables that you will be using, with the exception of lettuce, ahead of time and storing them in the fridge until you need them. Tip number 6. The turkey is usually the centerpiece of many Thanksgiving dinners. Make sure enough time is allowed to defrost the turkey in the refrigerator. Approximately plan for 24 hours for every 5 pounds of turkey. Now, the difference between a dry and moist turkey is using a meat thermometer. A whole cooked turkey should reach an internal temperature of about 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the breast and 175 degrees Fahrenheit in the thigh. But you can take it out of the oven at 160 degrees Fahrenheit when checking the breast because the temperatures will rise a little as it rests. Now note, make sure the probe does not touch the bone because it will read higher. Tip number 7, get more ice than what you think you may need. Have coolers ready to store your ice in if you don't have enough room in the freezer. Tip number 8, to avoid pies that has a lot of eggs in them from cracking, bake at the correct temperature and do not over bake. Tip number 9, leftovers. Have plenty of foil and carry-out containers so your guests can take some Thanksgiving leftovers with them. Tip number 10, the bathroom. Have extra toilet paper on hand to avoid the inconvenience and embarrassment of running out. For a safe and great way to keep the bathroom smelling refreshed, have on hand a flameless deodorizer. What are some of the favorite foods at Thanksgiving that you like? Please leave some comments below. If you have found value in this video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.